but it's beautiful. I'm loving it. It's all kinds of little caves and stuff. Put your head in here. Like, it's really tall. It's all speckled and stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but like very sharpened bits. Look at that, right through there. Yeah, pretty cool. Saw some butterflies. Butterflies have been a little bit of a theme this summer so far. Adventures vary sizes, you know. This is a bigger one. Has big waterfalls, but there are many great little adventures too. In fact, I would say most of my adventures are little, you know, things that I just make into adventure. Not that they're actually quote unquote adventurous. They would never make an adventure book. However, if you go in with the right intent, with the right attitude, I feel like you can make all kinds of little things into much more, you know, because you're present, you're thinking, and you're imagining. So it's kind of cool. I feel like this is a Lord of the Rings moment right here, guys. I don't know. Feels like a hobbit. I feel like a hobbit. You would be surprised how many times a day I feel like a hobbit, especially if I eat second breakfast. There are plenty of people out here on the trail, but there's certain sections that just don't have anybody. I think it's because we're going to go to all of the falls and not just the popular ones that are really easy to get to. And so I think this part of the trail it's an 8-mile long hike. So there is a bit of hiking. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat today, a couple reasons, but one is I have a bug bite right there on my forehead. I look like a unicorn. And while I am a magical person, I did not want to look like a unicorn. You know what I mean? Nobody wants that. There's a certain, it's like nature's tunnel a little bit. Like I'm gonna go under another branch here. I just dig it. I don't know why. See? Obviously going under branches, it's a thing. Like everybody goes under branches. But when it's clearly like this, yeah, that's pretty good. That's awesome. In fact, and I have another one coming up, bunch. Now what happened here, you know? Did it get lazy for a little while? I don't know. I feel like it got lazy. That's so cool. Now, so far, it is not a hard hike. It's beautiful, in fact, but not really hard.
Get all in there.
It goes pretty far back, but
It does?
I feel like it might be somebody's bathroom. So I'm gonna stay away.
Everyone hiking on this trail.
Yeah, there should be like a porta potty. I wasn't going any deeper. But it's fun to run into teachers because you know they're on break too. And they're so happy, you know? Why? Honestly, I feel like there's just too much foot traffic for them to be around. You know, these Bigfoot are probably ticked off because this was probably prime spot for a long time. If there are Bigfoot, of course. This is where I'd be camping out, raising my kids and everything. But then these humans come along, they put paths in, and there's a lot of people. Boo. That one definitely gives off a shower vibe. Like stand right there and just, there it is. Little platform for your goodies, your shampoo, not that I use it. I have a feeling I'm going to be on that thing soon. Yeah, this is ugly. I hate it. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, people. This sucks. Oh, I hate that clear water. No good. This is not good. What do we do? All right, this is as close as I can get without going in there. And I really want to go in there. Well, that was worth it. I was like, I heard that it was a dead end, but it shouldn't have been called that. It should be called a life end because the waterfalls were amazing. Okay, I'm just saying I'm gonna go ahead and speak friend and hopefully enter. Because I think this is like a door. Are you kidding me? Hold on a second, there's another one. All right, I'm speaking friend. Open up to the Mines of Moria. Come on, friend. Come on, I'm here. Okay, I guess you're not home. You're fine. Oh my gosh, that is pretty cool. All right, I guess I'll let you see it too. It's amazing. I wish you were here, whoever you are. I wish that you were right here, right now. Because they might be smooching or something, you know? And I wouldn't want to be smooching up in the woods and then have just randoms show up. You know, check this out. That's cool. Anyway, so I try not to disrupt any smooching. It's their time. It's not my time. I don't need that. You know, I don't need to be walking up on them like that. This is like full of this stuff. Like you can't even get away from how cool it is. Like the whole thing's cool. What's going on? I'm cutting at kind of a quick pace. And if I lived around here, I think I would slow down a lot. But I live like 3.5 hours away and I have to drive back. So, yeah. So going fast. Okay, I see you, big old tree. That's pretty cool. Look at that. It's not the only one either. That is, yeah, way to go. It's a good little spot. I love these. They're called nursing logs, but I like to call them octopus trees. The rim trail is kind of, not that it's a letdown, but after everything that you see down in the valley, it's kind of a letdown. Like this is beautiful. Like I would go on a walk like this just for fun on a normal day, but when you compete with the rest of the trail, there's no competition. So it is just pretty and beautiful and everything. Very glowy leaves. I know some people love those. Oh, you know I'm gonna pick some of these. Okay, well I try to lay back. I don't know, I'm trying to film, you know what I mean? So you just don't know what you're gonna film. So I like was trying to do this where you lay back and it looks awesome. But then it just straight up blinded me. And then you saw double chins and all kinds. It was like bad, dude. Let's try it again. Hold on a second. You're going to see what I'm talking about. And then my hat's not even right. I don't even know how to film right now. Okay, ready? Here we go. And then I'm all happy because it's the end of the hike. And then I go down and it's like, argh. So we're not going to do that. I won't put that in. There's no way I'm putting that in. I may put it in because it's stupid. Up one more time and go to my car and then drive 3.5 hours home. That's the boring part, especially in traffic. Not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. It's crazy. I'm sitting on a bench, by the way, underneath this. Crazy, dude. That's insane, and I love it.